Hello Beatle friends, and hello to everybody else watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new reissue of the Paul McCartney single We All Stand Together. This is a reissue of the original picture disc single released back in 1984. This is reissued to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Rupert the Bear. I'm going to show you everything that's inside this cardboard envelope, and of course I'm going to show you the record. So without further ado, let me open this cardboard envelope. Let me show you the envelope first, the front cover. Rupert and the Frog Chorus, We All Stand Together. Back of it. Happy 100th birthday, Rupert. We All Stand Together, Paul McCartney and the Frog Chorus, backed with the humming version of We All Stand Together, Paul McCartney and the Finchway Frogettes. This is a limited edition picture disc reissue. I ordered this off the Bomoose website, and they shipped it early, and I received it today, November 5th. The actual release date of this picture disc reissue is tomorrow, November 6th. And when I placed a pre-order for this on Bomoose, it said that it's limited to 5,000 copies. So get it while you can, even if you hate this song. Me personally, I enjoy We All Stand Together. It's a fun song. I never take this song serious. So let me go ahead and open the cardboard envelope from here. That's what the inside of the cardboard envelope looks like. And here is the single. The picture disc single in the die cut sleeve. Back cover. That's the patterns that's on Rupert's pants and scarf. Let me take the record out. Here's a picture disc. This is a reissue, exact reproduction of the original UK picture disc single. I have the original UK picture disc single in my collection. Looks just like this. So We All Stand Together side, and on the other side is the humming version right here. And close up of the label. The next thing I'm going to show you is a poster. Close up of the poster. Images of Paul wearing the Rupert outfit. These are cute images of Paul. That wraps up this unboxing of the new limited edition picture disc reissue of the Paul McCartney single We All Stand Together, Paul McCartney and the Frog Chorus. Hope you enjoy this short unboxing, and as I always say, stay tuned for more videos, and talk to you all later. Thank you for watching.